Hey everyone, let's just create a simple AWS account today. So just go to your web browser and search create AWS account and click that link. It will take you to AWS sign up page. Let's just create AWS free account now. So in the sign up page, put in a root user email address, put your account name and verify your email address. Now set up a password for your account and confirm the password. Click continue. Here select your account type. You can choose personal for your own projects. After that, fill in your details. So here in the next step, fill in your billing information and your credit or debit card number and verify and click continue. So now after completing the sign up process, now log in with your root email address and the password. So here your AWS account is set up.